From virtual real estate to digital fashion, the metaverse is becoming the next frontier of wealth. And guess who's already staking their claim? That's right, billionaires. From Mark Zuckerberg to Elon Musk, the richest people on the planet are betting big on a virtual world that doesn't even fully exist yet. Why? And what does it mean for the rest of us? Let's find out. Think of the metaverse as a 3D version of the internet, a network of virtual worlds where people socialize, work, shop, and even buy land. It's not just one game or platform, but a growing ecosystem powered by AR, VR, blockchain, and AI. Which billionaires are investing? Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, rebranding Facebook to Meta in 2021, he invested over $10 billion per year in metaverse development in order to create a platform people live in, not just use. Elon Musk, the rocket guy and the owner of Tesla. Less direct, but heavy investment in VR, AR, and AI, Neuralink, X. Critiques centralization but eyes infrastructure potential. Tim Sweeney, Epic Games. Pushing Fortnite as a metaverse platform. Focus on interoperability and creator economy. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA, powering metaverse with GPUs. Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, bullish on metaverse ETFs. The Winklevoss twins, metaverse and crypto convergence. Why are they investing? Good question, but the answer is as simple as the question. Let's find out why. Follow the money. Billionaires see the metaverse not just as a playground, but as a platform for digital real estate. Virtual land sales have topped hundreds of millions. New commerce. Virtual fashion, NFTs, immersive e-commerce. Advertising. Brands paying for exposure in digital worlds. Work and education. Virtual offices, meetings, learning environments. Risks and criticisms. Risks and criticisms naturally accompany any new idea because innovation challenges the status quo, often bringing uncertainty and resistance. Risks highlight potential failures or losses, while criticisms expose flaws or opposing perspectives, both essential for refining and strengthening the idea. But it's not all VR sunshine. Billionaire involvement raises key concerns. Centralization versus decentralization. Will it be a corporate monopoly? Privacy and data exploitation. Meta's track record raises eyebrows. Hype versus reality. Many platforms still lack real users or utility. If history is any guide, where billionaires invest today could define how we live tomorrow. Will the metaverse be our future, or a billion-dollar fantasy?